Invoice finance is a way for businesses to get paid faster by using their unpaid customer invoices as collateral for a cash advance. At its core, this tool is about turning slow-paying customer bills into immediate working capital so you can cover your own expenses. Most providers will advance a large portion of the invoice value immediately, holding back a small percentage until the customer actually pays. The process is straightforward. You submit your invoices, get a cash advance, and the lender collects the payment once it is due. Unlike a standard bank loan, invoice finance relies on the creditworthiness of your customers rather than just your own business credit score. Keep in mind that these services come with costs, including service fees and discount rates, which impact your overall profit margin on the invoice. Always review the terms carefully. Since the lender is essentially taking over your accounts receivable, your customer's reliability is key. Invoice finance can be a powerful tool for growth. Subscribe for more finance basics, and remember, this is educational content, not financial advice.